must have taken the wrong pill. You're not a horse, you're a goat. I can tell because horses don't have horns.
Don't just sit there, Herman. Give me another pill.
Here, try this one. Well, Grandpa, that's no good. I can't ride a skunk at a rodeo.
Shut up and try another pill before I let you have it.
Listen. Now I can swear I hear a pig grunting.
A pig? You don't suppose they're having a barbecue at a time like this, do you?
Grandpa? Herman? You'll be late for the rodeo.
We'll be right with you, Lily. Grandpa, now look what you've done. You've gone and made a pig of yourself.
Another pill.
Grandpa, you're beautiful.
I ask you, is this a horse or is this a horse?
Grandpa.